Have you ever talked to a smart speaker like Alexa or Google? Or maybe Netflix suggested a show you loved, almost like it knew you? Well, guess what? You've been interacting with something super cool called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Welcome back to Coco Network. We bring you captivating histories, incredible global explorations, and inspiring educational videos designed for every curious mind, young and old. Join us. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to understand what AI is all about. We'll learn where these smart machines came from, how they make our lives easier and more fun, and what amazing things they might do in the future. So, get ready to learn about the brains behind our screens. So what exactly is AI? Imagine you have a super smart robot friend. This robot can learn new things, figure out puzzles, and even make decisions, just like you. But instead of a human brain, this robot uses computer programs to do all that thinking. That's what AI is. It's about teaching computers to do things that normally need human brains. Just like you learn to ride a bike by practicing, AI learns by looking at lots and lots of information. The more information it sees, the smarter it gets. AI can understand what you say, like when you ask your smart speaker a question. It can also see things, like when your phone recognizes your face. If you have a puzzle, AI can help figure out the best way to solve it. Based on what it has learned, AI can make smart guesses or decisions. For example, if you watch a lot of action movies, Netflix's AI might guess you'll like a new action movie. Most of the AI we use today is called narrow AI. Think of it like a super expert at one thing. Your phone's face unlock is amazing at recognizing your face, but it can't bake a cake or write a story. It's really good at one job. Some people dream of general AI, which would be as smart as a human in many different ways, and even super AI, which would be much smarter than humans. But those are still ideas for the future. For now, we use narrow AI to help us in many cool ways. The idea of smart machines isn't new. Long ago, people imagined magical robots and thinking statues. But the real story of AI began not too long ago, with clever scientists and giant computers. Imagine a brilliant scientist named Alan Turing in the 1950s. He wondered, can a machine really think like a human? He came up with a famous test called the Turing test to see if a computer could fool a person into thinking it was human. This was a very important start. A few years later, in 1956, a group of smart people met at a place called Dartmouth College. They gave this new idea a name: artificial intelligence. They were super excited and thought they'd have human-like robots very soon. At first, the computers were big and slow, and AI was like a baby learning to crawl. They made programs that could follow rules, like a recipe. For example, an early AI could play checkers, but it was hard to make them smarter. This time was sometimes called AI winter because things slowed down a bit, but smart people kept working. In the 1990s and 2000s, something big happened. Computers got much faster, and we started collecting tons of information, like all the pictures on the internet or all the words people speak. This was like giving AI a huge library to learn from. And then an even newer idea called deep learning came along, which is like building a computer brain with many layers, just like our own brains have many connections. This made AI much better at things like understanding voices and recognizing faces. So, from old dreams to giant computers, and then to clever learning tricks, AI has grown up quite a bit. Now for the fun part. How does AI make our lives better right now? You might be using AI without even knowing it. AI is like a super assistant for doctors. It can look at X-rays or scans much faster than a human and help spot problems early, like a tiny spot that might be sick. This helps people get better sooner. Do you have a smart speaker? That's AI. It helps you play music, set timers, or answer questions. Robot vacuum cleaners use AI to map your house and clean it all by themselves. AI helps keep traffic moving smoothly by changing traffic lights. And yes, self-driving cars use AI to see the road, understand signs, and drive safely. They're still learning, but it's amazing. AI can help you learn. Some apps use AI to figure out what you're good at and what you need more help with, so they can teach you in the best way for you. When Netflix or YouTube suggests a movie or video you might like, that's AI at work. It remembers what you watched before and tries to guess what you'll enjoy next. When you shop online, AI helps show you things you might want to buy, making your shopping experience easier. AI can help keep us safe by looking for strange things in computer networks, or even helping police find clues faster. AI can help scientists understand climate change, find ways to use less energy, and even protect animals by tracking them in the wild. See? AI isn't just about big robots. It's already woven into so many parts of our day, making things faster, smarter, and sometimes just a little more magical. So, what's next for AI? The future is going to be even more exciting and probably a little bit different too. Imagine your house knowing exactly how you like your lights, music, and even the temperature all by itself. AI will make our homes even smarter and more helpful. Maybe you'll have an AI helper that knows you really well, helps you plan your day, and even reminds you of things you need to do. AI can already help artists make new art, musicians compose new songs, and writers tell new stories. AI will help scientists find cures for diseases even faster, invent new materials, and come up with amazing solutions for our planet's challenges, like clean energy. But just like any powerful tool, we need to think carefully about AI's future. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized digital content creation, making it easier and faster than ever to generate captivating videos and stunning images. AI-powered tools can now automate numerous aspects of video production, from script writing and voiceovers to scene detection, color correction, and even the creation of entire video clips from scratch, using avatars or text prompts. Whether it's for marketing, social media, or personal projects, AI empowers individuals and businesses to produce professional-grade content with remarkable efficiency and a newfound level of creative control. As AI takes over some tasks, some jobs might change, but new jobs will also appear. We'll need people who can work with AI, teach AI, and fix AI, so learning new skills will be important. AI learns from what we show it. If we show it unfair things, it might learn to be unfair. So we need to teach AI to be fair to everyone and make sure it's always safe and helpful. AI needs information to be smart. We need to make sure our personal information is kept safe and private. As AI gets smarter, we'll need good rules and laws to guide it, so it always helps humanity and works for the good of everyone. The future with AI is like a big, open book. We get to write the next chapters together. It's up to us to make sure AI helps us build a better world for everyone. Wow, what an amazing journey into the world of artificial intelligence. From simple ideas in the past to the amazing smart tools we use today, AI is a big part of our lives, and it's only going to grow. It's a powerful helper that can make our world smarter, safer, and more fun. What's the coolest AI you've ever used? Or what do you hope AI will do in the future? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into AI, please give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe to Coco Network for more awesome videos about science, tech, and everything cool. See you next time, and keep exploring.